Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's Zain JJ. Today we're going to do a video talking about this crypto.com box that I've received, which is very huge, and I'll say, yeah, covering my whole face. So over here on this video we're going to talk about, and after that from there the card tiers that you can expect, the crypto.com private, what is it all about, and after that the exclusive merchant welcome package unboxing, which is here finally, I would say. And after that over here, this is made possible with crypto.com. So if you guys are interested in the video itself, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And before we jump into the video talking about all of this, I'd like to introduce you to my Discord/Telegram channel, which I am trying to build a community over there. So you guys are interested in whatever cryptocurrency topic, you guys can feel free to jump into the groups, and after that ask questions, and after that from there assist one another, and after that from there be friendly as well. So over here right now we're gonna talk about the crypto.com card tiers before we talk about the other stuff. So over here we are on the crypto.com platform itself. If you guys are interested in grabbing your own crypto.com's metal card, over here this is my metal card. So over here this is a solid one, this is a metal one. So if you guys are interested in basically getting it, feel free to use the link down below to sign up, and of course upon signing up you'll get this 25 free dollars by just like signing up. You'll you'll just be eligible for this free $25. So I recommend you to sign up today, even though if you have no intention of getting a card. But of course this $25 is gonna help you in the long run, because to be honest, previously when CRO was like around 10 cents or whatsoever, nobody like those who have signed up previously, the sign up bonus was like $50 in CRO, and they did not get their card itself. Instead they basically once you sign up the account, they're gonna credit you this bonus, which is in the CRO token, and from there the value that they give you is in the CRO token. So maybe example, you sign up today, $25 is gonna tell you like, oh, you have like 250 CRO, and after that from there you can hold this amount of CRO, for example. And after that from there, those who receive it like previously, they held it all the way until the all-time high. Basically they see like, they went back to the app and they told me like, hey, why do I see like there's a $75 or even $150 in CRO in bonus? I told them that if you want to unlock this bonus, just use the link, basically like just sign up and just lock up, just buy some CRO, and after that from there you can get the metal card. And after that from there, which metal card should you be getting, we are going to talk about it in this segment of the video. And after that from there, once they have unlocked this, stake their CRO for this metal card, the immediate sign up bonus will be unlocked, and after that from there you can just sell it or whatever you want to do with it, stake it or earn additional passive income on the platform itself. It's all up to you. So right now we're going to talk about which card should you get, and after that over here we can say that over here the midnight blue itself, this over here does not give you this eligibility to unlock your sign up bonus, because the midnight blue is a plastic card, and after that there's no minimum requirement. But of course they are still very friendly. They tell you that, oh, you still can get this card, and after you can have a rebate of 1%. So whatever you spend on, they are going to rebate you in CRO. And after that over here we can see that the benefit itself is nothing much. And of course the free ATM withdrawal, just ignore it because it is not available right now. And after that the free exchange per month, it is this amount as per se. So over here we're going to talk about the more exciting part, which is the paid tier. So for the paid tier itself, once you have bought $500 in CR itself, you will get a 2% cashback in rewards. And after that from there, upon buying this and locking up, you will unlock your free sign up bonus. And after that from there, you can spend your sign up bonus like however you want it, because it's your money. So bear in mind, sign up today, get this amount of CRO. If you want to hold it, whatever it is going to increase in value or whatsoever. No financial advice, but of course these are the experience that I see from people who sign up earlier in the early days, and after that from there they told me, they came to me like, hey, why do I see like, hey, suddenly I got like $150 in my CRO wallet, but I did not use the platform. I just tell them you sign up, and after that the sign up bonus is that it has been credited to you. Once you have done your KYC, you will receive the sign up bonus. Just that unlocking the sign up bonus, grab the card, just buy whatever it is, 5k, 500, 5k, 550k or 500k to get whatever card tier you want. And after from there we're going to talk about the benefits. So over here, of course, as per se, if you lock up more money itself, they are going to give you more rebates in CRO in the percentage wise. So for my tier itself is 5%, so I'm on the IC white tier. And after that from there, if you are 50 rich, you can definitely go for the obsidian one, which is black, definitely. And after that, for people, the more popular choice itself, I would say most people are doing the ruby steel tier, because on the ruby steel tier itself, you will still get a free one-time Spotify per month. So you will get this free Spotify premium membership for free. And after that you can see, we are just going to read more about it over here. So over here, the maximum reimbursement is equivalent to only $12.99 US. So if let's say you sign up Spotify Family or whatsoever, if you use that to basically want to get a rebate of it, maybe let's say your bill is $15 US, you only will get a equivalent rebate of up to $13, which is 12.99. We're just gonna round it up. So we here 12.99 worth of CRO will be credited back to your account. So the same thing for Netflix, and after that the next thing for Prime, and after that the Amazon Prime, and after that Expedia, which is only available for Prime membership is only available for the IC white tier onwards, and after that the Expedia and Airbnb, and for the Airbnb itself is only for the Obsidian member. So for airport lounge itself, let's say you're going to the airport or whatsoever, for the Visa, I mean the lounge key, which is Visa, and after that from there, if you guys want to head over to this exclusive lounge to basically like wait for your flight to get ready or whatsoever, you can spend your time in the lounge. And I went there, and after that I would say that it is somehow exciting in the Singapore exclusive key lounge. And after the next thing is the crypto private. So on this crypto.com private itself, you can do this type of stuff that is magical, which is over here. The private itself, they let you do OTC block trades of CRO. If you say you want to buy a large amount of CRO, you can do it OTC, and after that you can have research reports. So every month I'm receiving, like, or I would say every week, they are sending me reports of like the crypto space, what is going on, and after that from there what they have done their research on. So it is somehow like an insight. And after that over here, I would say the next thing is the inheritance service that they are providing, and after that the industrial events access, and of course priority customer service. Yes, every time I go over to the app, I say like, hey, I need help with this and that, and after that from there, my box itself, this box that I wanted to receive, like I would say maybe like start of the year, which I recently got this IC white tier card over here. To be honest, I already signed up for it, and after that from there they send me like invitation on, oh yeah, you can receive this welcome package, and after that you will need to basically fill up this form, that form, which I have done it, and I waited for months for this box to arrive. And after that from there, recently I contact them again because I done the what is that called, I unstick and I stick back again, and after that from there they told me like to fill the form again. So I done it, and right now they send the parcel to me within, I would say within 5 working days. I received this parcel, and right now I'm going to unbox it soon. So before we jump into that, we are going to talk about more on the tier itself. So over here for Obsidian itself, this is a private jet partnership, which I would not be able to explore it unless I get this 500,000 worth of CRO stake. And after that, I will say right now how much is my CRO worth is only like 70 to 80,000, and I will say that 500k is still a long way to go. And of course, if you guys want to support the channel and after that help me reach this amount over here, I will say use the link down below, ask your friends to use my link, and after that from there we can keep accumulating whatever they are giving me. So honestly, the rewards that they credit me, what do I do with it? Do I cash it out or whatsoever? No, to be honest, I did not cash out the rewards or benefit that they sent to me. I just hold it, and after that I kept it in CRO. And after that, to be honest, have I cashed out some of my CRO? Yes, definitely, for basically some to take profit, because the amount that I bought, so previously I bought like 100k worth of CRO for like around 7 or 8,000, and after that right now I already took everything out. So basically everything running on CRO, it is all running by pure profits, and after that I will say I'm enjoying this benefit for free. So right now we're going to jump into the topic to unbox this exclusive merchant which they have sent over. Alright, so right now we are going to do an unboxing right now. So I'm just going to open the box in front of you guys, which is super big, I will say. Yep. Alright, so over here we have a card that is by the founder, by Chris. So over here we can see this card over here. You guys can have a pause and have a read. So I'm just over here. You guys can have a read over here, and after I'm not gonna read it out because you guys can read it. So it's just a card for you, and after that, if you get a exclusive tier, so this is the box, something like that. It's so huge, man. So over here, so over here on those box, if you open it up, there's some merchant that they are giving out. So over here we can see they have the Crypto.com t-shirt and some cap over here. So I'm just going to take one by one out to show it to you guys. So over here, this is the cap that they are offering, I mean like giving out free. This is the CRO cap itself. So over here, this is the cap, and after that the next thing is the t-shirt that they are giving out, which I have chosen the size of 3XL, which is, I'm fucking fat. So over here, this is the Crypto.com card, I mean the t-shirt. Yes, this is freaking big, and I like oversized tee. And the next thing, the last item, if I'm not wrong, so there's a last item. Nope, there's another item over here which is a bit too far for me, man. So over here you got this privacy thingy, the webcam cover that they are giving out. So these are the items that you can receive over here. And lastly, yeah, man. Just gonna put the box away, man. And after that, over here we can see that they also offer a hoodie, a jacket that is like, yeah, it's super big, super huge. So over here you can see this is the merchant that they offer. So this is the jacket light thingy, which is from the North Face. Yep, they partnership with the North Face to created this merchant itself. So over here there's a zip over here as well, so you can see. Nope, you can't see. So over here there's a zip here. So this over here is like a jacket style hoodie. So yeah, so that's all you will see on the box itself. And lastly, they also give a sticker. So over here this is a sticker like the CRO logo, so you can paste it on your laptop or on your car or whatsoever you want it. So over here these are the stuff that they are offering, I mean like giving out in the exclusive merchant welcome package, which I am supposed to receive earlier this year. I should supposed to receive it, but right now I already received my piece of it and I'm very happy about it. And of course I have come to the end of the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course turn on the post notification. And of course I am going to see you on the next one, and feel free to use the link down below to support the channel. And of course I'm going to see you on the next video. Bye bye, peace.